Welcome to Anser Charter School's virtual building tour. This video is designed as an introduction for new and prospective Anser families. We'll start at the front office and take a tour around the facility. I'll mention some highlights from our history, school culture, traditions, and plans for the future. Anser is one of Idaho's oldest charter schools, opening our doors in 1999. We are now in our third decade as a tuition-free public school and moved to the present location in 2009. And yes, the tree in our foyer is real. Along this wall, you'll notice the names of many Anser families, board members, staff, and alumni who supported the long-term vision of Anser through the years. Beginning with a group of educators who wondered what a dream school could be, our school was established using the Expeditionary Learning Model, or EL education. Fast forward to our current population of over 440 students in grades K through 8, who continue to live out our motto, "We are crew, not passengers." As we walk through the main foyer, we now enter a space affectionately known as the Cafetorium. Here students are served breakfast and hot lunch with lots of fresh fruit and vegetable options from our Healthy Choices bar. As a public school lunch program, families can qualify for free and reduced lunch by completing the application in your enrollment packet. Crew is a big part of Anser culture, and once a week all grade levels gather in the Cafetorium for whole school community. A class, or a crew as we call them, hosts the assembly, sharing highlights of their learning in the form of skits, songs, game shows, or videos. Rarely will you see an adult on the platform, as the students themselves run the show, including announcements, character recognition, presentations, and the AV crew. Even from kindergarten, students are learning to take to the stage, use a microphone, and share their knowledge with a real audience of students, staff, and families gathered in celebration. Beginning in summer 2021, our facility will undergo a major remodel. The older section of our main building, built in the 1950s, will be torn down and a new two-story section will be built in its place. The existing two-story section will remain and be refreshed, and the portables removed as our kindergarten and first grade students move into the main building. The final project will be complete and new classes of students added for fall 2022. Check out the design renderings and the progress updates on our website over the coming months. Fall 2022 is our expansion year, and we will be adding whole classes of new students in our new facility. If you find yourself on the waiting list this year, be sure to apply again next year. We are eager to welcome your family into the Anser community. Thanks for joining us for this tour.